Hello everyone and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen, continuing our theme of French cooking to celebrate the Paris Olympics. And indeed it was a celebration for the United States, who won the most medals with 126. We tied China with golds with 40, this after terrific performances from the men's and women's basketball teams, who both defeated France in the gold medal game. So it's 40 gold, 44 silver, and 42 bronze for the Americans. Hopefully Jordan Chiles will get to keep her bronze from the floor exercise pending the appeal from USA Gymnastics. So a memorable games overall, and now the attention turns to Los Angeles in 2028, where the city will host the Summer Olympics for the third time. And here to help me make today's meal is my beautiful niece, Abby. Hi, Abby.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good.
Good to see you again. How's your summer vacation been going?
Good.
You were watching the Summer Olympics with me too. What was your favorite part?
Swimming and gymnastics.
You swim too, right?
Yes.
And we enjoyed watching Simone Biles. Hopefully we'll get to see her in Los Angeles.
Yes.
How about we tell them what we're going to be making today?
We're going to be making crepes.
Crepes, yeah.
Crepes are very thin French-style pancakes with no leavening. They can be filled or rolled and served with any topping you like.
Here's what we'll be using: eggs, butter, milk, flour, salt, and sugar. So Abby, will start with 1/3 of the cup of flour there. Great. We'll do 1 egg here, like that. And then a little bit of this, 1/2 cup of milk, just a little bit. And then Abby's going to mix it in here. We're going to use just a little bit of the milk, not all of the milk. Then when we get to this consistency, Abby will add the rest of the milk. Perfect there. Mix it up so it will be ready for the pan. Then Abby will add 2 tablespoons of butter, and we'll get our pan on medium heat here. All right, then Abby will put 1/4 cup in the corner here, and then we will spread it. Probably too much butter, but that's okay.
Do you want to pour back?
We'll do this one, and then it'll melt some of the butter. After about a minute, looks mostly brown on one side, so we'll flip it to the other side here. Sometimes it's not so easy to get it to flip. Oftentimes they also say the first one doesn't turn out the best, but we'll see what we can do. About another maybe 30 seconds or so. After about a minute or so on each side, it's ready like that. We'll move it over here. Again, this won't be perfect, it's just our first one. That's okay though. It's the same thing, Abby. We'll pour it in the corner and roll it again. Quicker you spread it, the thinner it will be. After about a minute, we'll try to run our fork through it here. It looks pretty good. And then we'll take it and flip it over there. Cook it about 30 seconds on the other side, and we'll have a second one. Then after 30 seconds, looks pretty decently brown. Doesn't have to be perfect. Nice and thin. And we'll put it right there, and then Abby, our next one in the corner. Roll it again. Again, want it nice and thin. Quicker you roll it, more thin. And we'll leave that for about a minute. And then after about a minute here, we'll check it. Looks pretty good. Take it and flip that over. Again, about another 30 seconds on this side. About after 30 seconds, looks pretty good. On to there. So pretty easy to make, Abby, right?
Yes.
And then now we're ready to serve them. Abby, what are you going to put on yours?
I'm going to put strawberries and whipped cream. Okay, I'm going to take mine and I'm going to fold it like a napkin.
That looks good, Abby.
Thank you. And then I'm going to put some strawberries on it with some whipped cream.
So Abby showed one way. Here's another way you can do it. Take it here, and then I can put some orange marmalade on it right here. Just kind of spread that. And kind of like we did our French omelet, you can kind of roll it like a log, and that's another way to serve it. Then finally, we got to give it a taste, Abby.
Yep.
Try here.
Those are really good.
I've never had crepes before. They definitely are very thin,
Yes.
very tasty. I hope you get a chance to try this recipe with Abby. We also did some fudge brownies last season. Hope you get a chance to check those out. Those are in our archives. Thanks so much to you guys for watching. Big thanks to Mom for running the camera. She does a great job as always. And tune in next week where we mentioned the Los Angeles Olympics. I'll have more on the venues they'll be using in LA 2028. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time from the Tellow Family Kitchen. Thanks, Abby.
You're welcome.